What's going on, guys, and welcome to today's video. I got my CRF right here and it has been stored in here for a minute, so it needs a lot of maintenance to be caught up on. And over the course of this next week, I'm going to be going through the whole bike and doing all required maintenance. Today we're just going to be starting off with the air filter, and I'm just going to be doing the Honda OEM filter. A lot of people do the K&N filter, but I've heard it lets in a lot of dirt as soon as you start off-roading. So let's get to it. Okay, so to remove the air filter, just go ahead and start off by loosening this lower hex bolt on the exhaust side of the bike. And then pull the plastic panel out from under the seat and slide it to the left. And then this is your airbox compartment right here. And now you're just going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 retaining bolts holding on the cover for the air filter. Now that the cover is taken off, you can see that there's just 2 retaining clips holding on the air filter. You can just pop those off and pull it out, and as you can see, that is definitely due for a swap. So now to reinstall the air filter, just go ahead and slide her back and then push those retaining clips right over to secure it in place. Now you can go ahead and reinstall the airbox cover. And that's it, guys. It's an extremely simple job. Honda says to replace it every 8,000 miles. I would do it much more often depending on how much off-roading you're doing and whatnot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to scroll down, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.